Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to host two meetings at once. So actually that's too simple to be done. As we all know, there is always an easy solution, which is you can host two meetings at once by using two devices. One from your PC, for example, and the other one from your phone. If you have troubles with that, I'm gonna show you the other solution right now. So first, you just need to get the app Zoom Workplace from the website or from Microsoft Store. Secondly, we will host a meeting by scheduling one, and then we will set the meeting time like that. We will fill all these informations, and then we will click on the blue button, save. Alright, now we'll go to the other accounts on the website zoom.us, and we will schedule another one, just like that. And we will choose the same duration and the same date and the same hour of the meeting that we just made on Zoom Workplace app. Then we'll click on save. Alright, and we will click on start, and tada, we got the two meetings at the same time on the Zoom platform. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. As I told you, you can use the other option that you can use two devices to do that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. Bye bye.